Turning your engine EX09BAA. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Altimeter without any damage. Same as well like compressor. Everything nice. And on this side, engines looking good. Engine's turbo without any damage. All pipes inside looks good, all rusty. Gearbox without any damage, as you can see. And on this side, everything nice. Starter on good conditions. On the top, all connectors looking good without any damage. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, EX09BAA.